Here I'm just playing the music.
Hey, what's up guys, hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Monday Show. And in this episode of Monday Show, here is the unboxing of this speaker, and it is called D7. I don't have that much idea about this speaker because I even don't know that much about this speaker because I didn't research this thing over the internet, but I saw some reviews on internet and the reviews are pretty good about this speaker, and I needed a speaker. My mom brought it and I even don't know which color it is, and even I don't know what is inside. So let's go, and this is my first time unboxing of this speaker, so don't have any ideas. Without wasting time, let's go and let's see what is inside. But before going inside, let me show you what is the specifications, etc, etc. Alright, here it is written the frequency gigahertz, and here is the power voltage. I even don't know that much about this thing, like the technical parts. I really don't know technical parameters. I even don't know about these speakers that much because I don't have that much idea about speakers. But this is what it is. Here is something also written. You can also read this. You can pause and read it. I'm not gonna waste your time. Alright, let's go inside. Okay, and we're inside. That is it. Is it the unboxing? Unboxing finished? No, exactly not. The unboxing is not yet finished. Over here we have the speakers. I think it's a black color. Yeah bro, it's a black color, but why? Then why it is marked white at this place? I even don't have any ideas. This speaker is making me as well, and there is nothing else in this box. This box is open. This box is just for the show, and we already got what is inside of the box. Let's wrap this box up because we just don't need it. Let's put this thing out of the place, and here is the speakers bags. Those are wrapping this thing. Remove these bags because these are also not important. Here's the speakers. These are very small speakers. The cables looks pretty well. I think we can also use our mobile device to hear music from this thing. I'm not properly concerned about that, but maybe we can, although that is not a big deal. The big deal is this is the thing, and here is what we can use to make the volume up and down. And here's the speaker. I think we should remove this thing a little later. At first we should try if it is working properly. Alright, here's my laptop. Let's try this thing for the first time. I think we should just make it a little large, unless how we can do so. Alright, here as you can see, we have already connected those things on my laptop, and now let's see how well does this speakers performs.
Here I'm just playing the music. Alright, that was the unboxing. I think you guys really liked the speaker because the audio quality is pretty good. We're gonna do the review very soon. Till then, this was the unboxing of this D7 speaker. You can find this speaker online, offline, pretty much every place because this speaker is very good, and in every market this is available. Alright, that was the unboxing. If you like, be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the like button, and if you have something on your mind, be sure to comment because the bass on this thing is super good. Alright, that was it. Goodbye.